welcome back to my channel. I am Diamond76 Home Decor on a budget. And for today's video, I want to show you how I chose to decorate my newly bookcase or bookshelves that I had gotten from IKEA. And I added a little bit of Christmas ornaments or just a little bit of decorations, only because I do have 4 grandkids living with me, and I did not want to over decorate it too much because I know that they are in here. And if you want to see what I did do, then please keep on watching. Okay, now firstly, in front of you, I am showing you my TV, and I do have it on YouTube. I did turn the music down because I did not want to take a chance on getting copyrighted. But I just wanted to set the tone for the bookcase, and I am filming this during the day. So that's the reason why I went ahead and put the TV on the fireplace on YouTube. And if you want to see how I chose to decorate this, then let's get started. Now I'm going to start over here on this side right here. What I chose to do was I chose to add up here a picture. Since this is in my dining room and close to my kitchen, I decided to decorate it a little bit different. And all I did was add a plant up there at the top with a picture of a bowl of soup because I wanted to associate this side with my kitchen because it's really close. And all I did was just add some things that I had hauled in previous hauls and things that I've already had. All I did was take some books and put some books right here and a white vase. What I wanted to do was make sure that I incorporated some white into this bookshelf because the bookshelf, as you can see, is white. I added a faux plant right here. I wanted to make sure that I included some greenery into this bookshelf. And as you come down, I was trying to keep everything cohesive. Now right here, I'm going to show you some more. These are some books that I got from the thrift store. Okay, these are just cooking books, and I decided to leave the pages open. And right here, these books right here are from the Dollar Tree. I wanted to show you that you can decorate your bookshelves using Dollar Tree and using the thrift store. Now it's only the books that I have up here that are from either the thrift store or Dollar Tree, and I turned the books backwards so that way because I wanted to keep the cover on the book because the book is white, the cover is white. So I wanted to make sure that I kept with what I was going for. You'll see white, black, and maybe a little bit of blue because my walls are gray but with a undertone of blue in them. And what I did was right here on this shelf I included some black. This right here is something that I hauled. It's kind of like a jewelry box or a box that I hauled from Target, and I've had these for a while, so I can't remember where I got those from. And I didn't put anything right there because what I want to do is along the bottom, I'm thinking about getting some what do you call it? Some boxes. Oh God, I can't think of the name of it. To go at the bottom. Oh my God, I can't believe I forgot the name of it. If I can remember, then I'll include it in the video. So what I did for the Christmas holiday, I decided to add a garland right here that I had gotten from the at-home store. All I did was fold it because it would have went all the way down and it was blocking the TV. And all I did was add some greenery under the bottom of the garland and added some sparkling pine leaves into the garland as well. like I said, I wanted to keep everything as neutral as possible. And this picture right here is something I've had for a long time. Now, I was thinking about adding a mirror right here, but it would come up just a little bit because I'm not sure if I want to add any pictures up here, simply because I have the TV on this side. I still may do it. I still may do it though. But like I said, the majority of everything I've already had. All I did was, and these glass vases right here, all I did was just add in some poinsettias, and they had the greenery that I wanted. And I stole these out of my husband's office. And I have two of them. And I didn't take the price tag off of this because I had gotten this from Target, and I did do a haul on that. I did incorporate silver and gold because I love the mixing of the metals. And I love this tray right here. Now, all I did was I added some Christmas ornaments, and they are sort of like a blush pink, a gold, and a toned down, and just a matte pink, blush pink right here, and clear ornaments right there inside of a gold, I guess you can call it vase, or I don't know what is wrong with me today, but I just kept some Dollar Tree books right there. This right here, I can't remember where I got this from, but it was $11.99. I think I got both of those, or either I bought them separately. I can't remember. But yes, I included the metals into the bookcase. And like I said, I love this side right here. Oh, that's my chair right there. My grandkids, we were in the living room last night, so we have pillows and blankets right there in the chair, and I need to clean that out. But I wanted to show you this video really quickly. And on this side right here, I included another cookbook that I had picked up from the thrift store. And let me go down right here. I included a vase that I had already had, and it's not real, but I wanted to bring in the gold, a little bit of the blue on this bookshelf, because I really think that this fern right here makes a great statement piece. Now, as you can see right here, I have my cords. You can, because this is an open bookshelf, that is the reason why I put or place this plant right here, because I wanted to try to hide the cords as much as possible. I'm behind my table, so that's the reason why I'm moving the way that I am. Now, I have a new cable box right here. Even though it's small, I'm still trying to figure out, and I have it sitting on a napkin, what can I do to try to hide this, because if you're turning the TV, you can't block it. Okay, so that's one of the downsides to having an open bookshelves. And yes, I forgot to take the price tag, oh, not the price tag, but the sticker off. I was so excited when I got this finished. I just wanted to show you this video. And like I said, I have two of these clear vases. As you can see, one is down there. And like I said, baskets is what I want to put down here at the bottom. Only maybe 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm not sure. But this is the other side right here of the bookshelf. What I did was I took 2 of these and put them together and added 1 of these on each end. And I wanted to give the bookshelves a little bit of height so they wouldn't look so short. So that's the reason why I have the plants up here and the pictures up here at the top of the bookshelf. And this is the other side of the bookshelf. Again, these are thrift store cookbooks, and let me tell you, I am really loving these books because they have a lot of recipes that I really would like to use in these books. And I sat there and went through all of these cookbooks to make sure that I wasn't purchasing anything not only for decor, but something that I can use, but use as a display. Now, this stand right here is a book stand. I have to find or order another clear acrylic acrylic stand, and I'm going to show you what that looks like in just a second. And this is the top of the bookshelf on this side. Now, again, these are Dollar Tree books, and I think these are from the Dollar Tree as well. And these flowers, I think they're from the At Home store. So like I said, I wanted to give this height, okay? And that is the reason, and that's just a bench right here that I got sitting up so that way I can walk over here. And I wanted to try to find another gold plant holder like that to go on that side, but really I'm not worried about it because I've been searching and have not been able to find it. And right here I have a tray. The tray is silver, but I went ahead and put an apothecary jar in here and a leaf that I hauled from Target, and this right here is from the dollar store. Like I said, I wanted to make sure that I incorporated the metals into the bookshelves, like the gold and the silver. And this is what you look at when you see this bookshelf. And like I said, I wanted to include something Christmassy, but not too much because, like I said, my grandkids are in here, and I didn't want to put too much breakables in here. Even though I have these glass clear glass cylinders right there, they don't touch that, they don't bother that. But like I said, I wanted to include a little bit of Christmas decor into this bookshelves. And the video is already at 12 minutes. I don't want to make it too long, but let me know what you think in the comment section. This right here I took out of my beauty room because I wanted to extend this, okay? Because I only had that piece right there and it was looking funny because to me it was just too short. But yeah, this is how I chose to decorate this bookshelf. And the reason why I brought this plant right here in is because I wanted to kind of give it a, what is it? I kind of wanted to make it kind of even on both sides because the TV is pushed down. So I chose to push that TV down because I wanted to make sure that I had room to decorate for the summer. Also, even after Christmas. So that's the reason why I had this open space right here. But yes, this is the final decor of decoration of the bookshelf that I decided to do. And I hope that you like what I did because like I said, I wanted to do it a little bit different than a normal bookshelf because like I said, it is near my kitchen and I wanted to include some cookbooks up here. And let me know what you think in the comment section below. Let me know if you do like this. And again, my name is Diamond76, Home Decor on a Budget. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel for any uploads or any videos that I do. And don't forget to click that bell so you will get the notifications. And always remember to put that diamond touch on anything that you decide to do. And if you want to join me on my Instagram channel, please join me at Diamond2872. I would be happy to have you on my Instagram. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. And please thumbs up this video if you did like this video. And don't forget, okay, to make sure that you leave me a comment so that way I can know your thoughts and opinions on this bookshelf, this open bookshelf right here. And I will talk to you guys later in another video.